Champing at the bit, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that you might have heard in movies, books, or even in everyday conversation, champing at the bit. It's a phrase that's rich in history and meaning, and by the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how to use it in your own conversations. So, let's get started. Champing at the bit is an idiom that expresses impatience or eagerness to start something or to go somewhere. Originally, it comes from the world of horse riding. When a horse is said to be champing at the bit, it is biting down on the metal bit in its mouth, often out of eagerness to start moving or frustration at being held back. This visual gives us a clear picture of someone who is restless and can hardly wait to proceed with an action or a plan. Understanding the origin of champing at the bit helps us appreciate its use today. This phrase dates back to when horses were a primary mode of transportation and work. The bit is a piece of horse tack that helps the rider communicate with the horse. When a horse champs at the bit, it's a sign of its desire to move ahead or its frustration at being restrained. Over time, this behavior of horses was translated into a metaphor for human impatience. Now that we know what champing at the bit means and where it comes from, let's see how to incorporate it into our daily language. This phrase is perfect for situations where someone is eager to start or do something. For example, after months of preparation, the team was champing at the bit to get started on the project. I've been champing at the bit to tell you the good news. The kids are always champing at the bit to open their presents on Christmas morning. A common misconception is the phrase, chomping at the bit, which you might hear as well. While chomping and champing might sound similar, champing is the correct term in this idiom. Chomping refers to the act of chewing noisily, which doesn't convey the same sense of eagerness as champing. However, language evolves, and chomping at the bit has become an accepted variant due to its widespread use. And there you have it. Champing at the bit is a vivid expression that perfectly captures the feeling of eagerness and impatience. Whether you're discussing personal ambitions, making plans with friends, or talking about anticipated events, this phrase can add color and depth to your conversations. We hope this video has enlightened you and made you a bit more excited to use your new knowledge in the English-speaking world. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Remember, learning a new language is an adventure, and every phrase you master is a step forward. Keep champing at the bit, and you'll achieve fluency before you know it.